Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. Today I'm checking out the Kimafun wireless microphone. So this is a 2.4 gig. It has a wireless receiver, has a transmitter, a couple of different microphones, a lavalier mic and a headset mic, as well as a belt clip and some other stuff. So let's check out what's in the box here. Okay, first off, we have, looks like instructions and a little thank you card. That's cool. And here we go. In the first little bag here we have, looks like a belt clip. So you just press that, fits on your belt there, locks it in place, and it looks like it has a little slot here. You can slide the microphone transmitter onto that, or receiver, I'm sorry. Second little bag, we got the lavalier mic. Here we go. It's got a nice little alligator clip on there. Grab onto your shirt, your lapel, or whatever. Appears to have a fairly long cord here. Let's just see how long the cord is. Got a short cord, it's not too handy. So this is probably 4 feet long, plenty of distance there. What's cool about this is, I believe, this is screw on. I think that this connection also screws on, so it's kind of nice if you are, it's not going to pull out if you move accidentally and jerk it a little bit. Okay, another bag. We have 2 more little windscreen, 4-inch windscreens, and then the 6.35 millimeter adapter. That. All right, we have a Y splitter for audio here. Another bag here, and this is a USB to double micro USB splitter. You can charge both the receiver and the transmitter at the same time. That's pretty cool. Here we go. Here is the headset. This also, let me see how long this cord is. I would like to show how long the cord is. And this one appears to be about 3 feet from the headset to that. So good distance. It's got kind of a soft pad here on both sides, and it looks like your swing arm for the microphone is adjustable to pretty much any way you want it. Okay, that's pretty lightweight. In the other bag here, here is the receiver right here. So that has an on-off switch and then power in, and then here's the connection. And obviously these can be screwed on there. Let's see here. I believe. Dun, dun, dun. Well, that's for different audio or what? I am a little bit confused here. All right, sorry about that. And here we have the transmitter. So the receiver should, why does it have 2 the same ends here? Anyways, this is just the unboxing. I'm showing you what's going on in here, and then I will figure out the other part to this as well. I'll show you guys how to set it up and how to use it. So this runs about $55 on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to check it out. This is a Should have 50 to 100 foot range supposedly on this thing, so kind of excited to try this out and see how well it works. Wireless is definitely the way to go. It says it has a battery indicator, shows you how much battery life is left and stuff like that. So I'll be doing a review soon. When I do that, I'll leave a link in the description below as well. Get this LED thing coming off my helmet. That's really cool. Anyways, we'll see you guys soon. You guys take care and be safe out there.